table.
Huh?
I want the romantic table.
My God, if you just know, I'm never gonna trust salads again in my life. You just know the salads. Okay, it means it's a lot of vegetables.
You took a carpaccio, it's a meat salad for fuck's sake.
Yeah, but still, I was just thinking the meat salad would just be a, how you say it?
Whoa! Det er simpelthen... Det bliver videre. Det er mit liv for kort til. Oi! Drop the garlic down. Is that a small portion, you think?
Yeah.
I think this is a very lot.
Okay, then cut. Simple as that.
Peel it.
Oh, peel it. You cannot peel. You have to peel it with this.
Like ginger? A lot? Let's see.
Yeah, you're peeling it off. Ah. Peel.
Okay.
Okay. What are you making, Martin?
Never look at.
Oh, you're so fucking amazing. I think you shouldn't too much. I not so much doing, then the color will be different.
Yeah, the color will be different. I said this was not what they put in it.
Oh fuck, that's not how it looks like.
Since it... Now, put the fish in. Right. rest of the ingredients. So, that's perfect. It's ready.
Nabuang.
Man, huwag pa man asin.
Huwag pa niya asin. Butangan na niya ka na. Butangan pa nigasin.
Asin na, uy, dili na.
Amaw. Luto na ko rin naman, no? Wala ni Guro. Amaw to, ano? Proud pa kay butangan ako ng MSG. Butangan, nagbitsin?
Oh, hamang-hamang.
Butangan na ako asin, pero gamay ra akong ibutang.
Hamang-hamang.
You're right, it needs some MSG.